Space is vast. It is full of mystery, and sometimes it throws us curveballs. One such curveball is asteroid 2024 or 1. This newly discovered asteroid is making headlines. Why? Because it's a reminder of the cosmic dance we're all a part of. It's hurtling through space at incredible speeds. The discovery of 2024 or 1 reminds us that space is never truly empty. It's filled with objects of all shapes and sizes, each on its own unique journey. And then there are asteroids, the wanderers of our solar system. 2024 or 1 is classified as a near-Earth object, or NEO. Don't worry though, close in astronomical terms is still a long way off. Discovering an asteroid is one thing. Tracking its every move is another. That's where NASA and its Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, or CNEOS, come in. They are our cosmic guardians, watching the skies and keeping us safe. CNEOS uses powerful telescopes. These telescopes scan the sky every night. They search for any moving object that might be an asteroid. When they find one, they track its path. They calculate its speed and trajectory. This information tells us if the asteroid poses any threat to Earth. Think of it like air traffic control, but for space. Just like we track airplanes to prevent collisions, we track asteroids to stay one step ahead. It's all about knowing what's out there and where it's going. The good news is that 2024 or 1 is not on a collision course with Earth, at least not anytime soon. But its discovery serves as a reminder of the importance of constant vigilance. We can't afford to let our guard down when it comes to planetary defense. Asteroids aren't just potential threats. They're time capsules from the early solar system, leftover building blocks from when planets were forming billions of years ago. Studying them reveals our cosmic history. Asteroids come in different flavors, some rocky, some metallic, some rich in water ice. Each type tells a story about early solar system conditions. Analyzing them pieces together our planet's formation. They hold secrets to our solar system's origins and life itself. Section 4. Remember Apus? Close encounters of the asteroid kind. Asteroid 2024. Or 1 isn't the first to grab our attention. Remember Apus? This asteroid caused quite a stir back in 2004. Initial calculations suggested a small chance of it hitting Earth in 2013. Talk about a close shave. Further observations and refined calculations ruled out an impact in 2013. Phew! But Apus continues to be an object of interest for astronomers. It's expected to make another close approach in 2029, coming closer to Earth than some of our satellites. These close encounters, while nerve-wracking, provide valuable opportunities for scientific study. Astronomers can use radar and other instruments to get a closer look at these space rocks. It's like having a front-row seat to a cosmic flyby. Apus and other close encounters serve as stark reminders of the importance of planetary defense. We need to be prepared for any potential threats from space, no matter how small the probability. Section 5. Planetary Defense, our shield against cosmic threats. The universe is a beautiful and awe-inspiring place, but it can also be dangerous. Asteroids are just one of the many hazards we face as inhabitants of this cosmic playground. That's why planetary defense is so crucial. Planetary defense is about protecting our planet from cosmic threats. It involves detecting, tracking, and characterizing potentially hazardous objects like asteroids and comets. But it also goes beyond that. Imagine a future where we have the technology to deflect asteroids. We could nudge them off course, preventing them from ever posing a threat to Earth. We could even mine them for resources, turning a potential danger into a valuable asset. Planetary defense is an investment in our future. It's about ensuring the long-term survival of our species. It's about being good stewards of our planet and protecting the only home we know. Section 6. The future of planetary defense, innovation, and vigilance. The field of planetary defense is constantly evolving. Scientists and engineers are developing new technologies to detect and track asteroids with greater accuracy. One promising approach is the kinetic impactor. This involves crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid at high speed to alter its trajectory. Another approach is the gravity tractor. This involves using a spacecraft's gravity to slowly tug an asteroid off course over time. The future of planetary defense relies on continued investment in research and development, but technology alone is not enough. We also need vigilance. It's a responsibility we all share as citizens of Earth.